So hi, my name is Corey Copping. I'm the product manager for HP Procore Networking Canada. Today we are excited to announce the new MSM 317. MSM stands for Multi-Service Mobility and 317 is the model number. This product is a converged device. It combines the best of both the wired and wireless world into one device. Basically what we're looking at is a shrunken down switch that will fit into a wall plate. This switch has 4 ports, one of which provides power over Ethernet access to power a low power IP device such as a voice over IP phone. The unit is also powered itself by PoE power. So a typical PoE switch will give out 15.4 watts of power, half of which is taken to power this MSM 317 itself. The other half will pass through and, like I mentioned, power a voice over IP phone. What else is interesting about this switch and is very exciting is that we also integrate a BG single radio access point directly into this switch. Now this wall plate switch is small enough that you can put it in any standard electrical outlet. Very ideal for dorm rooms, hospitality, hotel rooms, small conference rooms, small classrooms. It's a very unique device. It can be used in many different verticals. With a typical access point solution, you'd be looking at having to run cables up walls and through ceilings, and then installing an access point into a ceiling or high up so you have good coverage across a small room. That's typically where access points are installed today, usually high up out of people's way. With the MSM 317, because it's a small device that's designed to fit into a standard wall plate or wall plug, you just take your Ethernet port, plug it in the back, plug this device in, and you're ready to go. Now the other advantage to our MSM 317 is that it's controlled by our MSM controllers. So the installation is very easy in that you just plug these things into each room, say if you're doing a dorm facility or a hotel with hundreds of rooms. You go around, you plug these things into each room, then you go back to your controller device, and as a network manager, you would just turn on your controller device. It will go out and find every one of the new MSM 317s for you automatically, and you can control the devices from there. So currently the MSM 317 can be controlled by the MSM 750 controller up to 200 devices. We are actually working on scaling that for future product launches. And you'll see that future controllers coming out later this year will actually scale up to 800 devices. So it's very easy for a network manager to come into a large hotel room or dormitory and be able to control every device or update every device with a firmware or a software update all at one time via the MSM 710 series of controllers. They will automatically go out and find every access point on your network, including the 317, which is the converged wired wireless device, and manage those devices for you. When you add on the mobility services that we can incorporate into PCM, you're now having the ability to provide seamless guest services access through a wireless or wired version. You also have the ability to manage a voice over IP wireless phone with seamless handoff. So that's very important, especially if you're in a hotel space or if you're in a manufacturing space where people are using wireless voice over IP. Seamless handoff is critical because you want to be walking through the warehouse or floor to floor and having your conversation without any lag or drops. And with the mobility add-on for PCM, you will actually have the advantage of seamless handoff for wireless voice devices.